Kaizer Chiefs remain on the lookout for the right player to strengthen their squad for next season. As coach Nazar Nabi continues to rebuild the team, the Sia crew has been informed. As previously reported by Sokala Duma, Amakosi had shown a huge interest in Zambian international goalkeeper Tsotsan Tsapada and Royal AM Xolan Ngcobo. Insiders have now indicated that the club has also inquired about younger SC goalkeeper Ndiara. Sia crew further elaborated. According to sources close to Amakosi, both Coach Nabe and his assistant Cedric Casey are familiar with Ndiara and believe he could add a new dimension to their goalkeeping department if signed, the source stated. Amakosi are working on finding the right goalkeeper, and that's why they are still looking at all the different profiles of different goalkeepers. They have apparently shown interest in Tostan Zapada and Xoyan Ngcobo, but they are not finalized next season signings yet, and now they have inquired about Ndiara from Yanga SC. It's a process from both scouting department to the technical team and management before they sign. They have inquired about that younger goalkeeper, the CSO stated. Second insider highlighted that Nabi and Casey familiarity with Ndiara could play a crucial role in bringing him to Naturena. They are apparently looking at a goalkeeper they know and has experience. Out of the three, Ntapada, Ngcobo and now Ndiara. It seems the coaches know Ndiara much better, having worked with him before in Tanzania. For now, it's just interest and an inquiry. So let's see who they could finally get. The second source revealed. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.